natembeana sides so that I can fit in here ndo niweze ku access the kitchen and the bedroom and the toilet. So this one and a puff, you know, and it's so soft. It was going for 14,000 but ilikuwa on offer ya 9,000. Deras from a friend as well. She's for my kitchen. Yeah, this one I got it from a friend. So, ukiingia unaacha viatu hapo, unaruka kwa kiti and then unaingia hivyo. Hi guys, how are you people doing? I hope you are doing fine. My name is Miss Tina and of course I'm your favorite girl. If this is your first time seeing this face, you're so much welcome in this family and feel free to subscribe so that you can join the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl, to watch my videos, to feel me. You know, the moment you watch my video, you make me feel appreciated. The moment you comment, you know, I feel like we are connecting. You are talking to me, I'm talking to you. At the moment you like this video, it makes me feel like you're pushing me, you know, to more heights, to more dimensions, because the moment you like my videos, you give YouTube a chance to recommend me to more people. Okay, so guys, before anything else, pardon my voice. If you feel like my voice is a little bit altered or something, it's because niko na homa, because it's that month, you know. And in this month kila mtu anapatanga homa. So apart from that guys, in today's video I want us to do a very interesting, okay, it is an interesting video generally, and I want us to unbox the things that I got during the week for my house. Let me tell you guys. Okay, I will call this furnishing a house, furnishing a home, or whatever. And it is not easy. It will cost you a lot of money. It will cost you a lot of energy. It will cost you a lot of emotions. It will cost you physically. It will still cost you. It is a lot of work. Those people you see furnishing homes, building homes, I salute you guys, because yo, Mimi, I guess I'm at my end. Mimi, I'm at my end. Like, guy, it is costing me. It has costed me a lot of money. Yo, when you want to furnish my nyumba within a day, within what should I say, a week, within 1 month, yo, mnafanyanga aje? But then right now I can understand those people who take like a whole year to build and they take another whole year to furnish their homes. I understand you. I won't judge, because it's not easy. It requires a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of you physically being there. It is a lot of money, honestly, because you remember in the last video I told you I'm going to get my furniture. I get tuliacha usiku. It was so late and I couldn't vlog, so tuliachania hapo. And remember me telling you that there is a whole situationship in the house. This is what I mean. Let me show you guys. You see right there, that is where the door is, and you can see so ukiingia unaacha viatu hapo, unaruka kwa kiti and then unaingia hivyo. The other space is this space. The other space is this space. Let me show you guys. You see, I have to walk sideways, like natembeana sides, so that I can fit in here ndo niweze ku access the kitchen and the bedroom and the toilet. So this is a whole situationship that I was talking about you know. That is the whole situationship I was talking about. And for that reason, I feel like we should start planning on moving out, because hatuwezi ishi hivi like every time ukiingia kwa nyumba you have to jump on the seat then so that you can you can enter. Again, kutembea huku, it's also a problem. And not only here, even in the bedroom, I don't have space. Like I have no space, okay? I have no space. So guys, because nishanunua viti and I guess I didn't show you well. These are the seats. That is how the seats are. Usimind hiyo ni cape yangu. Right now, don't even mind anything you see, okay? So these are the things that I want us to unbox with you guys. And mliachana nunua TV stand, there it is. And right now there is nothing yenye iko into place. So right now there is nothing iko into place. So judge me, tutatengeneza the house baadaye. It's only that nimeamua I show you the kind of seats I got. It's a recliner design. Actually, even that pillow, it's supposed to be here. It is supposed to be here. It was like a recliner design. Ndo nilipata in short, and decided to pick it because I mean I wanted I had told you I want a unique or whatever. I don't know. I actually don't know ni nini ilinivutia kwa this recliner design. I honestly don't know. So guys, let's get into the video. See, you can see the space that I have. Like I'm literally nazunguka the same place. Like sina space, I have no space. Unazunguka hivyo you're like nyumba imeisha. So let us start unboxing. I don't know where we should start, but tutaona. Okay, let's get to it. So guys, I will start right here. I don't know, this video is all over. So I will start right here. So I got these pillows in town. So it's a pillow and a pillowcase. So you see, I have a pillow inside. Oh, I had not even seen this. Oh my lord. So the theme of my house is, okay, I'm not right now, I won't say that I have themes. I don't have themes in the house, but you can see there is gray. So I wanted to like is it whatever, mix and match. Me, I'm not an interior whatever designer. Okay, so mani nilienda nikamwambia I have like gray seats. Aliniambia I can mix it with white and a little bit because I have a mustard yellow curtain, so I can do. By the guys, my curtains are mustard yellow and gray too. So akaniambia you can do white to make it a little bit, you know, pop. Of which my TV stand and my table are white. So niliuziwa these pillows together with the pillowcases. Yeah, it's a white one. And a puff, you know, and it's so soft. It is so soft. So I guess the pillows I got them for 450, yeah, and then the pillowcases I got each at 500. You see why I'm telling you guys, furnishing a home is not easy. Furnishing a house is not easy. So I can imagine it's three, yeah, so there are 3 pillowcases and 3 pillows. So you can see I have another white here, of which I'm not yet done buying this because I still have to have a pillows with mustard yellow to mix and match to make the house a little bit brighter. And if you happen to know these vitus are could design nyumba and everything, please, if you think that I'm making a mistake, comment hapo chini uniambie, baby girl, this is what you need to do, because me, I'm not a designer, I'm not an interior designer, so hakuna kitu najua, I know nothing. So I got this gray and I got these 2 white, of which I'm bado nafaa niende another 2 zenye ziko mustard yellow with this pattern ya pillowcases. I got these throw blankets. I got this throw blanket at Think Twice. Nilipata Think Twice. I got it for 200 bob. And the sikuanga na throw blanket. I used to have a nini inaitwaje? The Masai leso ndo nilikuwa natumia, so I got this for 200 at Think Twice. So hii ndo nitakuwa natumia when I'm not necessarily to, you know, the way people throw blanket, their throw blankets wanazipanga kwa kiti, so mine itakuwa tu ya kujifunikia because I don't think hizi viti zinahitaji throw blankets. Something else I got, it's this carpet for my kitchen. Yeah, this one I got it from a friend, anaitwa EMMG. I guess nitapin namba yake hapo chini. Yeah, I guess nitapin namba yake hapo chini. So it's double. There's this small one, and then there's this long one. Yeah, there's this long one. So it comes as a set. I bought it for 1300, and that was all inclusive, all inclusive. Then I got these deras from a friend as well. So I got these deras from a friend as well. She's called Judy. I'll also link her number. She can deliver, and apart from dealing with deras, anauzanga pia mabuyu, kuna plantains, and she delivers, kuna plantain crisps. So if you want, she can deliver them for you. I will also in place her number right there. So this is how the deras are. But I just love them. You know what? They're giving rich aunties vibe. I'm not rich. I'm not rich, but they're giving that vibe. So I feel like unaweza vaa hata ukienda shughuli zako tao. That is what I feel. I'm not sure, but that is what it feels. So if you want deras, plantains, plantain crisps, mabuyu, anything, you can itisha from her. So I got two of them. There's this one right here. You can see this one right here and the other one. So each it was going for 600 each. So that is 1200. And this is not the silk Dera. It is the cotton Dera. So it's not silk. Something else I got. Guess what, guys? Naonanga tu watu wakinunua hizi vitu. And the smell that is coming out from here. It's giving. Like it's giving. So these are candles. I got them from a friend too. Aki mimi najua kusupport mabeshte. Mimi na mabeshte, yeah? So this is a candle. Yeah, it is smelling fruitish, but also almost like a certain air freshener. Yeah, it's smelling something of the sorts. So this one I got it for 300. So 300. There's also another one here. This one is a lavender smell. Also this one I got it for 300 as well. And then this two is lavender. Oh my god, it's smelling so nice. You can see, yeah, you can see. So this one was also going no, this one was going for 450. And because of buying all that, I was added this small one. Oh my god, this one is giving. I was given this one. Yeah, to appreciate everything. So everything for the candles, everything was summing up up to, I guess, 1000 1500, not 500, 200 or something. Yeah, so alafu kuna this kabag, aki this packaging iliweza. Naonanga tu watu wakireceive such packages and I'm like, when is my day going to come? So the other package is this. Nishaifungua na actually nimetumia sufuria moja. It is this one. I got it from Sarah M. I guess in the last video niliongea about Sarah M. Alinitumia the dispenser that I'm using right now in the last video. So this lady nilimtoa TikTok and her pricing is so fair. And apart from the pricing being fair, she's honest. Like, akikwambia ukimlipa sahi, in the next like 20 minutes unapata delivery message yako from the whichever joint or brand you want ikudeliverie vitu zako. So it is a 10 set of sufuria. So you have your lids. So that is why nawaambia nilikuwa nimefungua already. So these are the lids. Yeah, so you have 1 2 3, and then the other one is in my kitchen. I had used it last night to pick an nail. So those are the lids and the sufuria. This one, okay, I know it's stainless sufurias. I didn't want to do the non-stick ones. I don't know for what reason. I don't know for what reason I didn't want the non-stick, but I felt like this one was pleasing in a way, and I got this. This one ya kupikia ugali. Mimi maneno ya kupikia ugali. Na maybe because I told you I do plantains, ya ku deep fry my plantains. Sitakuwa naweka kwa nini? Kwa pan. So these are the sizes of the sufurias. You see? Let's see, these are the sizes. There is one, and then there's this other one. You can see. 2. And then there is the last one. Okay, this is not the last one. There is, as I've told you, I have another one in the kitchen. So there are 4. I mean 5 of them. No, this is the bigger one. Yeah, so that is the bigger one. So they're set of 10. Okay, I guess I will also leave her number right there, or you can go and follow her on TikTok at Sarah M Household. You will find her. Actually, niliwaambia nilitoa tu TikTok. Nilikuwa natembea TikTok ovyo recklessly like I'm used to, and then nikapata na vitu zake and nikaingia kwa comment section and nikaona the way people are commenting and saying things, and I was like, oh, okay, let me try. And that's it. So that is it for the sufurias. So I have the receipts. Hizi ni receipts za TV stand and the seats. So like literally everything in this house is new. So these are the receipts. Yeah. So to the next one, guys, I got this. Actually, this one I got it yesterday. Yeah, I got this one yesterday. I guess the receipt is somewhere here. Yeah, I got this one yesterday at Naivas. So I got it at Naivas. It's Vision sub bar. It was on offer. Initially it was going for 14,000, but ilikuwa on offer here 9,000. Okay, let me say 10,000 because it's 9,999. So it was on offer, and decided let me buy it because, guys, I've been using the small Vitron subwoofer. Hii nilinunua nikiwa campus. Yeah, the small one, 2.1, yeah, the small one. And kamekuwa na issues, by the way. Kanaongea kama hakataki. So I got this one. Oh my god, the bass this one has, mtasikizia. So I got this one, Vision one, the Vision subwoofer, the sub bar. I got that. Oh, it feels good to unbox. Like, honestly, guys, I don't know whether you guys are so emotional. Me personally, I'm so emotional when I see a person win. Like, even ukinipata tu mahali na watch TikTok ama na watch YouTube or anything, the moment I see someone describing their journey, giving out their journey, like, and I see them win, trust me, hata ukiwa karibu yangu, you will see me shed tears. Because I was always like, God, you see things other people are doing, also me, I'm gonna do them one day. I'm gonna do them one day. So this one, guys, is the bar. Na sijui ni nani ataifix. So this is the bar. You can see how tall it is. So it is this tall, and nimetoka kwa the small subwoofer. Oh my god. I'm getting emotional, guys. I'm getting emotional. Because God is so faithful, guys. God is so faithful. You see, all these things I had not planned. I just woke up one day and I told God, God, I want to see a change in my house. And trust you me. Plus, nikijaribu niangalia where I'm from. Those days in campus zenye you try call home, there's no one with money. Oh my Lord, why am I getting emotional? And seeing myself doing things within some few, like a week, because these seeds, we got them on Sunday in the last video. This one I got it yesterday. This one I've got them during the week. Seeing myself do all this, it makes me feel like God is so great. Trust me, when you have faith in the Lord, everything is gonna work out for you, okay? And hii pesa nilikuwa nimeweka, ilinipata tu. So let me swallow that. So I've swallowed that. So this is the subwoofer. Let me show you what I was using before. I will definitely show you what I was using, and then I will give you the sound of this, because yo don't joke, inabomoa nyumba. Usione tu iko hivi, inabomoa nyumba. The bass, just wait. Let me show you what I was using first, then to connect it, then skiza how it is working. So guys, this is the Cavitron subwoofer that I was telling you I was using. You can see ni kale kadogo kabisa, and ilikuwa imefika place lazima ukaslap ndo kaongee. Yeah, so that is what I was using. So that is my Wi-Fi, of which nili install with another company because yenye nilikuwa nayo ilikuwa inasumbua. So that is the small Vitron that I used to have. So let's connect ingine to see now how it is. Sindo? Yeah. Chani by Dera, guys, nione how they look. Actually, sijajaribu. Nileta watu. Oh, let me try this one. Ama we will try them, but oh, I look good. I'm looking good. So let's get rid of these ones. So guys, nikiwaambia this thing is ni kama inataka kubomoa nyumba, just listen to it. And sijaka volume yote. The volume is it 18? Yes. So listen. It's feeling nice. Oh my lord. Yeah, mi ni Mkikuyu jameni, and I love Mogiri. So what will happen if we add the volume? Just listen. So guys, you can imagine guys, that is the volume. Yeah, that is the volume. So acha ikonza ikaeke hapo hivyo ndo tuongee kidogo. Okay? So guys, they like this is literally what I got. Yeah, you can see them here. Yeah, ziko hapo hivyo juu. I will sort them out. That is whatever I got. So in short, I was trying to say, if you see someone furnishing a home and they're taking long, my friend, it's a lot of money. It needs a lot of money, a lot of being emotionally prepared, physically prepared, because it's not easy. So otherwise guys, thank you so much guys for watching. I guess from here I will just rush to town. Maybe I will just rush to town. Maybe I need some plates. I need to buy some plates, of which you will see them. If I happen to buy, you will see them in the next vlog. I want to buy some plates, and apart from plates, I need to buy another dish rack, because my dish rack already imeja. Ni venye tu I just want to do away with the plates that I'm having. Niza kitambo, I buy them, then yeah. So if I happen to go, and again I want to go do my nails za miguu na za mikono, because the hair is done. I need to look good. So if I happen to, okay, I guess this one you will see it on the next vlog. Yeah, you see it on the next vlog. Yeah, because I don't think I guess this video is enough at the moment. Do nisichanganye titling yako, nisishindo ku title video. I don't know what I'm even saying. Again, I did some new cutting rods. I need to add another cutting, you know, to give the house a pop, and I need to go pick those other pillows. So yeah, all this we see it in the next vlog. Sindio, please just allow me, and then we will start doing to house hunt, because no, I don't know, we cannot live here. We will have to start house hunting. Sindio. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Mniombe sana sana tukipatana in the next video sitakuwa na homa. Sitakuwa na homa. So let me enjoy my new soundbar na ngoma zangu as I, clear everything yenye tume unbox and put everything into place. Again, the house is not so neat. I make the house neat. Sindio. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.
기다리다 놓쳐버린